one of the concerns from a Republican who was an anti-Trumper, but definitely a conservative Republican, was if there is a bad 4 years, if some of the greatest fears come to pass, then whose fault is that? Who's going to get blamed? Obviously, it's going to be Trump and the Trumpers, and that could be something that has a very long-term negative effect. Of course, on the other hand, if things don't go badly, if things continue on a pretty smooth course, or maybe we have a mild recession as he comes into office, assuming he does get back in, then and we go through it. Obviously, he is not supposed to be able to run for a third term. I think it's preposterous to say that that's off the table when all of the norms are being blown up and the Supreme Court is inventing new laws that the president is immune, which has never been the case. Far-fetched arguments that you have your lackeys, your hacks, and there will be a lot more of them. People point out everything Hitler did was legal, and you make it legal. But these things tend to have backlashes. So that's where, just like with the markets, you want to try to think long term, but that doesn't mean that there isn't an awful lot of chaos and suffering and victims in the meantime.